Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use dark mode in Google Docs. So this is the Google Docs that I am currently using, and I want to enable dark mode in Google Docs. Now you can enable dark mode from Google Docs settings. You will need a Chrome extension for that. So let's search for Google Doc dark mode. And then after searching for Google Doc dark mode, you will have Chrome web extension for Google Docs dark mode. Let's go into it, and then we're going to add it to our Google Chrome. Now let's click on add extension. So extension has been downloaded and the extension has been added. Now let's go to our Google Doc that we were working. Let's give it a refresh. Now as you can see, we have entered dark mode. Let's click on got it. So here, as you can see, we have entered dark mode for our Google Docs. Now you will find a moon icon right over here. You can just click on this and turn it into a sun, and you will get your default white mode again. And if you click on the sun again, then you will get dark mode. However, we have the page right here on the bottom. If you want your font to change its color, then you can click on this page right over here. As you can see, my fonts are now white, and if you want your fonts to also be dark, then you can click on this page right over here and your fonts will be dark, as well as the whole theme of your Google Doc. So guys, that's how you can darken the view mode of your Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.